Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. Today I am doing an unboxing for you of the Grabie December 2023 scrapbooking box. I love these boxes. They have so much stuff in them for your paper crafting, your scrapbooking. Always has one of these Grabie stickers in it. And here we have some washi sticker strips called Orange Christmas. There's orange patterns and also red patterns in here, all with black. Here you can see how these are just thin washi tape strips of stickers. Next, a clear stamp block has the nice grooves there to be able to grip. And look at these gorgeous stamps. These are so beautiful, the clear acrylic stamps that you can use with that block and with these two full-size ink pads. You get a red and a green of pigment ink. Inside the box, there's also this card that lists out everything that comes in it. Sometimes it'll tell you the brand, where it's from, but lots of wonderful things in this box. Here in this plastic zipper pouch, we have all of your stickers. Now these are so beautiful. I love the vintage holiday vibes they have, vintage style here. You've got 2 packs of these. They're kind of like clear stickers, kind of plasticky, and then all of these gorgeous holiday images. And then look at these that aren't even in a package. They're like acetate or something. I don't know, but look at the butterflies. And they're like frames that can go around pictures or words. These look like bookmarks. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, then in your plastic snap pouch here, you've got even more things. You've got some gorgeous, what are these? Vintage paper materials in this blue and white floral, some die cut numbers, all of these sheets of like plants and birds and butterflies, gorgeous, gorgeous, some embossed cardstock, snowflakes and stars. You've got these foil large snowflakes. And then underneath everything, this is 8" by 8" scrapbook paper. It's kind of a 12 Days of Christmas theme. The colors are absolutely gorgeous. I love the plaids, the florals. Look at these. So cute for tags. And my favorite sheet is right here. Look at these beautiful roses. What a wonderful box. I will put the link in the description. Right now, this box is on sale on Amazon. Great time to do your scrapbooking from all those photos you took over the holidays. Thanks so much for joining me. Let me know in the comments if you have tried one of these boxes, what you think of it, and we'll talk to you next time. Thanks. Take care.